In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join meeting in Calendly, 5 minutes. Let's get you set up so joining your meetings is simple and reliable every time. First, open your browser and go to calendly.com. On the home page, look for the login button, usually in the top right, and click it. Enter the email address you use with Calendly, select continue, then enter your password and continue. After a moment, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. From here, we're going to connect a video meeting provider so your events automatically include a join link. Click on Integrations and Apps. This is the hub where Calendly connects to your favorite tools. You'll see options for several platforms that can power your meeting links. For example, Calendly can integrate with Slack or Microsoft Teams so attendees receive the right joining details, and it can also work with GoToMeeting if that's your preferred conferencing tool. For this walkthrough, we'll use Google Meet, find Google Meet in the list, and select it. Next, click Manage Calendar Connection. This is important because Google Meet links are generated through your connected calendar. Managing the connection ensures Calendly can create a unique Meet link and place it directly on your calendar event whenever someone books time with you. Once you're in the calendar connection settings, you'll see that you can now join meetings via Google Meet. When your events are scheduled, Calendly automatically attaches the Meet link to the event details, so you can click Join right from your calendar at the time of the meeting. There's no need to manually create a link or paste anything into invitations. Because your calendar is synced with Calendly, your availability stays accurate and conflicts are avoided. This also means the join details are consistent across Calendly, your calendar, and attendee notifications. If you ever switch providers later, say from Google Meet to Teams or GoToMeeting, you can return to Integrations and Apps and select the one you prefer. Calendly will handle the meeting links for new bookings accordingly. That's it. You went to Calendly, logged in, opened Integrations and Apps, chose your conferencing provider, clicked Manage Calendar Connection, and confirmed that your calendar sync allows you to join via Google Meet. From now on, when someone schedules with you, look for the join link right in the event on your calendar or in the event details shown in Calendly. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother one-click joins for every meeting.